Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking which account you're locked out of and why, local or Microsoft. If it's a Microsoft account, you'll reset online. If local, you'll use recovery tools. Once done, get Install Media or another admin account available and unplug the network if troubleshooting a local password to avoid sync interference. Make sure you know the exact username and any recent password variants. This narrows options and saves time when you move to recovery steps. Now you perform the core recovery. Boot from Install Media and Open command prompt or enter safe mode if accessible. Use NetUser commands to reset a local password or enable the built-in administrator account so you can log in and create a new admin. If it's a Microsoft account, go to Account, Microsoft, COM on another device to reset the password and then sign in. Keep notes on each command you run. That helps backtrack if something doesn't work as expected. Finish by signing in with the reset or newly created admin credentials and verify file access and settings. Once stable, reconnect the network and allow Microsoft accounts to resync. Make sure two-step verification and recovery info are updated. If you still can't log in, consider a system restore to a prior restore point or use a reputable offline password reset tool as a last resort. If tools fail, back up important files via rescue media before doing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.